Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn something more interesting from our moral science book, Embracing Value. So let's get started. Today we are going to learn lesson number 1, discipline, from this book. Okay? Now, first of all, let us learn what is the meaning of discipline. Discipline means a practice of obeying set of rules and regulations. Okay? Or a good mannered girl or boy. Okay? A well behaved. Okay? All this comes under discipline. See, for example, if your mother or father saying some rules and regulations. So, okay, you need to follow these things. You need to follow these things. You should not touch that. You should not touch this. Like this. Whenever they say something, you are following them correctly, then you are very disciplined child. So, let us learn something more about discipline with the Arjun Dev story, who was the disciple of Guru Ram Das, the 4th Sikh Guru. Okay? Disciple means a follower of a teacher or school of religion. Okay? You are disciple of a guru. Like that. Under the guru, you will be learning something more and more. Okay? So, that one person is called disciple. So, in this story, Arjun Dev was a disciple of Guru Ram Das. Okay? He used to complete all his duties assigned to him by the Guru. Whatever the Guruji says, he used to follow blindly. So, Arjun Dev got assigned to clean the utensils all the day. So, many other disciples will be asking question to Arjun like this. You are always busy in washing utensils. You should serve Guruji sometimes. See, just washing utensils does not complete the whole service. Guruji will not be pleased in this manner. Okay, like this they used to question Arjun Dev. But Arjun Dev will be replying like this. I don't try to please Guruji. My duty is to obey him. So whatever Guruji says, I will obey him, like that only. By and by, the other disciple stopped advising him because he will never listen to any other's advice. So he continued his job just by washing utensils by the order of Guruji. Later, Guru Ram Das neared. So all the disciples were eager to know who Guruji had selected to succeed him. Okay, that means after this Guruji, there will be the next successor of this Guru. That means in the place of this Guruji, the other disciple will be posted in. Okay, like this. So all the disciples were waiting for that post. In fact, he had written a will in such he had named in successor. That means he wrote a will. Will means a statement written in a paper which is very, very important, and this testament was to be read after his death. Like this, Guru Ram Das said in his will. So, after Guruji's death, everyone were eager to hear out the will. The wise man who read it took the name of Arjun Dev, much to surprise of all the disciples. So all the disciples were surprised after hearing Arjun Dev's name, because he didn't do anything, only he did cleaning the utensils. After that, nothing he had done to Guruji. But how could Guruji selected his name? So they were surprised to hear his name. So some of them objected to the choice, asking for a justification. So after that, what happened? Listen now. Later, the wise man replied, in the eyes of Guruji, Arjun Dev was the most deserving disciple, because faith and discipline were his prime qualities. They silenced and the unhappy disciples by saying, the touchstone of eligibility is one's faith and devotion and discipline, not his knowledge and wisdom. So, all this will not be considered. Only the discipline and his faith on Guruji is considered. So Guruji made him the next successor after him. So after listening this, all the disciples kept calm. So children, what we have learned, discipline is the main and prime quality of one. See children, after the story we need to do the practice worksheets. A bit. Write T for the true or F for the false statements. Okay. First one. Guru Ram Das was the 6th Guru of Sikhs. Is this true? No. He is 4th Guru. So this statement is false. Arjun Dev was given the task of washing the stables. Is this true? No. Cleaning utensils is the task given to Arjun Dev. So this is the false one. The other disciple thought little of Arjun Dev. Is this true or not? Yes, it is true. Arjun Dev said that his duty was to obey Guruji, not to please him. This is true. Fifth one. Guruji had written the name of his successor in a will that was to be read after his death. It is true. Sixth one. Knowledge and devotion are more important than the devotion and discipline. Is this correct? No. According to the Guruji point of view, discipline is the prime quality. So this is the false statement. So after this, coming to B bit, answer the following questions briefly. So you can write the answers here itself, or else you can use a rough notebook. Okay children, a separate book you keep it for these moral science questions. What are the work assigned to Arjun Dev? What was the work assigned to Arjun Dev? Cleaning utensils is the work assigned to Arjun Dev. Write down there. Second one. Why did other disciples advise Arjun Dev to serve Guruji apart from doing the work assigned to him? Why they have advised him like that? Because pleasing Guruji is also a part of serving him, not only obeying his rules and regulations. So they advised him like that. Third question. Do you think Arjun Dev did the right thing? Could he have served the Guruji instead? Yes, Arjun Dev did the right thing, because obeying Guruji rules is the prime quality, not pleasing him. Okay? Then fourth one. Why was Arjun Dev appointed the successor to the Guru Ram Das? Because Arjun Dev pleased the Guruji by obeying all his set of rules and regulations, and as per his order, he was very disciplined to do all his works. Fifth one. What is the lesson to be learned from this story? So each and every person must have a prime quality of discipline. Okay? So after this, skill for life. So this A bit you need to do in group. So we will leave this. And coming to B bit, now work independently and write about at least 4 ways in which you can discipline yourself. That means how you can discipline you. That you need to write. Like, I will wake up early in the morning from tomorrow. Otherwise, I will eat only healthy food from tomorrow. Okay, I will take an oath that I will get good rank in studies. I will be very disciplined from now. I will listen to all the words of my mother and father. Like this, you need to take some statements and write here. Okay? So try to finish off everything on your own, children. That's all for now. We'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care and bye-bye.